And a broken Lamborghini.
Lamborghini!
Forget about it. ゼブラみたいな感じです。中もいいな。車が悪いんじゃないんだけど、運転手が悪かったのかな? They spend billions and millions of dollars to make a car perfect, and we go ahead and change everything up on it. Vlogger on vlogger.
Should I learn?
You need Steve's POV.
I just need Steve.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Steve with Steve's POV here. It is Sunday morning. Sunday morning drive. Sunday morning drive started off pretty early. I'm in the BMW. It's fixed. It's back from the body shop, and it's going back this week to BMW. So, got a couple more miles I can still put on this thing. So, I decided this Sunday morning to take it out and had a meeting. Less of a meeting, I guess, than you'd call it a time set up with Damon from Daily Driven to meet up with him in Newport Beach this morning at a car event down there. I'm heading down there. I'm about 20 minutes away from getting there, and all of a sudden I get a text from Damon. He's broken down. He's on the side of the highway somewhere about 30 minutes back in the direction I just came from. I told him I'd turn around, and I'm heading back to where he's at. He said he lost air on his airbags. His car is sitting on the ground, undrivable. He's waiting on a tow truck. Apparently he's with his daughter as well. So I'm gonna head back, try to find him. He sent me his location. We'll see if I can find out where he's at and what I can do to possibly help. Maybe at least get him off the highway and to a safe place or something. But anyway, what me and him were getting together for today was to discuss a couple of interesting things going on. April in Japan, 12th, 13th, 14th, there is going to be a rally called the World X Series Rally. I will be on that rally. Also joining me on that rally will be Damon, who will be going to Japan for the first time with me, but he will have his own vehicle. Him and Dave will be cruising. We'll be doing a 3-day rally from Tokyo, going all the way to Kobe, Japan, or Kobe, as some of you people pronounce it. It's Kobe. Kobe. The beef, too, is not Kobe beef. It's Kobe. Kobe beef. And it's not Wagyu. It's Wagyu. 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 Just to help you guys out a little bit of pronunciation. Anyway, back to business. So anyway, we were going to get together today and discuss plans, but at that car show, but apparently Damon ain't going to make it there, so we're going to go meet up with him. Maybe we'll go stop, have some breakfast somewhere, have a little meeting about the Japan trip, and definitely fill you people in more about it as well. You'll be seeing more on Damon's channel, and of course here as well. We'll see what's up with Damon. Well, we found him. There he is. Broken down, stuck. He made it off the highway at least, so he may be temporarily down, but I doubt this guy is going to be out by any chance. Let's see what happened. Maybe his airbags had some problems. Oh, those slicks, huh? And finally got his tow truck here. Gonna pick up his car. Apparently some suspension problems with his air suspension or something, a shock broke or something like that. But anyway, he does have his tow truck here. So he's coordinating with his driver, as you can see, and pick up that car and get it taken out of here, I guess. 日本人の皆さん、この積載車見てくださいね。結構かっこいいよ。見てほら、ラッピングされてるんで面白いんだよね、これは。すごいよ、もうゼブラみたいな感じです。これアメリカの積載車ですね。かっこいい。で、これでデイモンさんの車が壊れちゃったんで、これからランボルギーニを乗せて持っていくんだよね、整備工場に。ちょっと紹介したいと思います。What's up, Damon?
What up?
What's up? Konnichiwa. Say hi to all your friends in Japan.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Is that how you say it?
Slightly different with the pronunciation right there.
Konnichiwa.
Yeah, man. Konnichiwa. You got it.
I'm getting there.
日本人の皆さんにはじめまして。
I ain't trying to. I ain't trying to. I don't know.
Are we live right here too?
Yeah, oh yeah, you can speak both languages.
Japanese and English. 日本語と英語も両方できます。Damon's got his daughter. We got the cars.
This is how we
all
do
kinds
this.
of stuff going on.
Vloggers
Dude.
on vloggers.
I love vlogger on vlogger.
And we got a broken Lamborghini.
And a broken Lamborghini.
Lamborghini! Hey!
Hey,
Actually,
forget about it.
it wasn't their fault. Say that in Japanese. It's not a Lamborghini part. Let 'em
車
know.
が悪いんじゃないんだけど運転手が悪かったのかなね It was your fault, wasn't it?
It was
all
my-
you.
it was my
It was all him.
Just called me out in Japanese. Oh my god.
But we're gonna be doing a rally in Japan.
Yeah.
Tokyo to Kobe. It's not Kobe, by the way. It's Kobe.
Kobe.
Thank you for that Kobe beef. Kobe, not Kobe. We're gonna be doing a rally, man. We're gonna have some cars set up for us there. We're gonna have probably
I'm
some
excited.
Lambos. We're gonna have some Liberty Walk
Coming to
cars.
Japan.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
You got it,
It's
man.
all thanks to Steve.
Nah, man.
I can't wait to meet everybody.
You're gonna be meeting the whole crew. I got the whole LED Lambo crew coming out Friday night to hang out with us.
Really? Tokyo midnight, like with all the crazy LED lights.
Oh, we're gonna have some fun Friday night in Japan.
And I wanted to ask you,
Yes, sir.
should I like Rosetta Stone Japanese? Should I learn?
You need Steve's POV.
I just
Forget
need
Rosetta
Steve.
Stone, bro.
I got a translator.
Rosetta Stone.
Dee Dee's got a translator. We got a translator.
Woohoo! Japan, here we come. April 12th, 13th, 14th, baby.
Can't wait to see
Idea.
y'all.
Awesome.
There. It's already all, it's as high as it's gonna go.
Good. That was good.
See, that's how we roll. My boy and I, we got a routine now, don't we? That's how we do it.
Better gas mileage this way, huh?
Damon Brent. See, my car never fails. The Huracan by Lamborghini, I feel is almost indestructible. I've been trying, and the only thing that ever breaks is the aftermarket stuff I put on it. I'm not even joking.
The car itself doesn't break.
The car itself has been amazing.
You know what they say though, bro? They say that's why, how much did Lamborghini spend to research, build, and
Millions and billions and trillions of dollars in R&D.
and all those aftermarket parts? How much did they spend to put those on the car?
And Alex Choi always says he will not switch out his suspension because they spent millions and billions and trillions on suspension R&D. And the reality is I'm gonna have to say it. Alex Choi's right.
Alex Choi's right. You gave me hats off to Alex
right.
Choi with good advice, baby.
Yeah.
There you go. But that's true. The cars are built. They spend billions and millions of dollars to make a car perfect, and we go ahead and change everything up on them, don't we?
Hands down, one of the best supercars on the market right now. If you want fun, aggressive looks, great sound, but reliable.
And if this guy can't break it, nobody could. I'll drive it for the rest of my life the way I drive compared to him, huh?
60,000 miles, supercharged.
Wow.
Driven the way I drive.
Yeah, that most cars aren't gonna last that. Look at these tires.
When we get to AGX, you're gonna see that somewhere at the top, I bet you that's sheared off.
Oh, is that where? Oh, that's the side that came down, huh?
This is the
Oh yeah,
side.
you're scraping.
You can see.
Oh, they got a lot of camber on those wheels too, huh?
Well, yeah, at this point when it's like kind of
Slammed. Not much choice.
Yeah.
Will a Ferrari look good bumperless of 458? You think?
Yeah.
How about that 430?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, almost another accident right here. Second one.
Same
Same
This
spot.
has got to be one of those like high impact areas.
Keep your tow truck here, bro. We're gonna put something on the back and tow it. You got the wheel lift? There you go.デイリードリブのデイモンさんの車はこれから降ろします。積載車から今、彼が使っているアバントガードというショップにいます。私はこのショップ大好きですね。ちゃんとしているところ、日本でこの方も来るので一緒に走ります。皆さんに紹介しますので、結構もう100万人の視聴者がもう超えたチャンネルなんで、 DDE デイリードリブンエクゾティクスですね。デイモンさん、まあ友達です、昔から。彼のチャンネル100万人いた。スティーブはまだ20万でかわいそうだな。チャンネル登録してね。ね、スティーブ的視点のファミリーの一人として登録していただければありがたいですね。よろしく。僕がエアサックなんだけど、ショックが壊れちゃったんで今吸っちゃってるの。ほら、触れてるんだよな。ペンナが壊れないといいけどね。